Introducing the Ultimaker S5 Pro Bundle. A combination of products that together solve your every material handling concern. At its core is our market-leading high build volume 3D printer, the Ultimaker S5. This stands securely on the material station, the first of its kind in the world. A humidity-controlled enclosure enables continuous single or dual extrusion, housing up to 4.5 kilograms of any filament, including glass or carbon fiber composites. The Ultimaker S5 Air Manager fully encloses the build chamber. Its high-efficiency filter and multi-speed fan create an inside-out airflow that removes up to 95% of ultrafine particles, giving you the freedom to print with an extended range of materials with complete peace of mind. Each of these on their own are remarkable devices, but stack them together and something special happens. They unlock the flexibility for more applications. With true 24/7 capacity, seamless integration, and zero hassle, completing our vision of the ultimate office 3D printing experience. Let the Ultimaker S5 Pro Bundle take care of 100% of your 3D printing concerns, so you can stay 100% focused on doing your best work.
For years, our intention has been to make your ideas real. Ideas so disruptive, they can fundamentally shift the axis of tomorrow. But then, we came up with a radically new idea of our own. This is Method, the first performance 3D printer. Developing a performance 3D printer required bridging the gap between industrial 3D printing accuracy and desktop 3D printer accessibility. We began by building upon the bedrock of several patented technologies from Stratasys, then refined and optimized every feature down to the last detail. The circulating heated chamber utilizes two heat exchangers with active blowers to fully envelop each print with hot air during the entire print duration. The result is twofold: consistent dimensional accuracy and optimal part strength. The seamless orchestration between the dual performance extruders provides a consistent feed of hot liquefied material across every print layer. The dual drive gear system grips material securely with 3 times the force of a typical desktop 3D printer. The extruder's lengthened thermal cores are 50% longer than a desktop hot end and allow for more efficient heating during the entire material loading and extrusion process. Method allows you the freedom to print in virtually unlimited geometry by utilizing best-in-class water-soluble PVA support. Inside, a rigorously tested and ultra-rigid full-body metal frame design eliminates flexing that typically occurs during high-speed print movements. Less flexing means more consistent prints with better part accuracy and uncompromised performance. Sitting on a lab-calibrated base manufactured from precision machined aluminum, the build plate leverages high-strength positional magnets to conform itself truly flat to the bed base. Build plate adhesion comes from a layer of polycarbonate and the elevated temperature of the plate as it absorbs heat from the circulating heated chamber. Once the print is complete, the plate pulls off from its base and can be easily flexed to release the finished printed part. Combined with MakerBot's existing suite of smart accessibility features and software, including 21 strategically placed sensors, a 5-inch capacitive touchscreen, an onboard camera, intelligent material monitoring, and MakerBot Print, which supports over 25 native CAD file types. Method isn't just introducing a new category of 3D printing, it's redefining it altogether.
This is the MP Mini Delta, the most affordable professional quality 3D printing solution to bring your ideas to life. It's already in production, so be one of the first to get the product. The MP Mini Delta is a transformative tool that allows anyone to delve into the world of 3D printing. A product that now allows you to create what you need on your own. Designed using knowledge and even parts from our successful line of 3D printers currently on the market, it includes advanced features unheard of below $500. It features a single body design that is ready to print out of the box. No assembly required. Simply load the filament, insert the included SD card, and press a button to start printing. Additionally, you can connect using Wi-Fi to send print files directly to the printer. One of the biggest hurdles for any 3D printer is maintaining a level print surface, which can lead to poor quality prints, adhesion problems, and clogs. The MP Mini Delta addresses all those with auto bed leveling for easy setup and printing. Our design uses an open filament, meaning you can use 1.75mm PLA or ABS filament from any brand. The removable heated build plate improves print quality and reliability with different filaments. And lastly, the all-metal aluminum construction increases durability and reliability while still maintaining its lightness. Whether it's printing a toy, a model, a replacement part, gadgets for your everyday life, or your own creation, this printer can do it all. You'll get professional quality prints at resolutions up to 100 microns. We're coming out with a game-changing product that will make 3D printing available for everyone.